2022 Jeep Gladiator build is done. We have the entire Dobinson's 3.5-inch lift installed on this bad boy. We're gonna ship it off to the alignment shop in the morning, and when it comes back, it's gonna have these bad boys on it, paired with these. All right, guys, the Gladiator just got back from the alignment shop. This is gonna be our first look with the new wheels and tires on it after we installed the Dobinson's lift. We're gonna pull it in, so let's see what it looks like.